third video must be told as a story, just as the story I told about the WD-40 with those two back hinges, that rubber thing, those two door hinges, and this metallic door hinge. 50 cents of WD-40, I fixed that. 50 cents of baking soda and free water, I shall fix that. The paint surrounding the shadow. And now my 50-cent story about my engine knock. It's also not what I was going to do. I'm diverging. I had an engine knock. It's on my other video. I put a video out about it. 3 good mechanics told me that I needed an engine after looking for it. They said it was rod knock. I think I'll use the deoxidizing. I think I'll use the baking soda on that hood. 3 mechanics told me it was rod knock that I needed a new engine. They were already, ordered an engine on eBay. Luckily I managed to return it before they sent it. Got a refund. The next guy who thought he was a mechanic thought it was a transmission related. And finally I kept asking because I know that everyone's full of crap on this particular rod knock type of issue. And someone said it's that catalytic converter. Crown Vics have 4 catalytic converters, one there and there. So I looked on eBay and you can get all 4 catalytic converters, 2 sets of 2 that come in a clump for $283. I went to the catalytic converter mechanic and he was so offended by the fact that I bought catalytic converters on eBay, not his 2, which were $600 each, and his $300 to probably labor to put them in because you have to take out the oxygen sensors, and that can be a pain in the butt. So he wanted $1,500, and I kept looking around, and I said, and he pretended the 2 I got at eBay don't fit, and he lied. And then I told him that I had dropped this catalytic converter, but I dropped it 15,000 miles ago, and I dropped it from a foot high, and it was a drop like this. They were on jack stands, and it went clank, clank. I was taking out my transmission, so I took out both exhaust pipes. Whether I had to or not, I don't know, but I did it just because I rather blindly believed what I heard on eBay, which usually is not true. So it fell from a foot, and it was fine for a while. And finally, this catalytic converter here wore out, and it turns out that was the problem. I did not need a $1,500 whatever engine, or some place wanted $1,200 to install it. Another place said $700, but they'd probably up the price later. $1,500 to $2,000 to install a used engine. I did not need that. I did not need $1,500 of catalytic converters, 2 $600 and $300 to install. I did not need that. I needed 1 catalytic converter, which is quite easy to install. Oh, and then the place I took it to just took it off. He said, you don't need it because it's behind the oxygen sensors. They just removed it. I'm not going to stick to that because I'll care about the environment. But for the time being, they took out that one and the engine knock was gone. And I think I bought a soda there while I was there getting it done for free for 50 cents. They said, you don't have to pay us anything. So that solved those $2,000, $1,500 problems for 50 cents. What's the next video?